In this video, I'll show you how to create a word-by-word text animation in Premiere Pro. Begin by selecting the type tool, add text, and adjust it to your liking. Then open Effects window, search for Text Animator, and add it to the start of the text layer. Then move the playhead forward to see what's happening, and select the animator that we've added by left-clicking on it. Then in Effect Controls, scroll down to Animation Controls and set all values to 0. Then increase the second value for push position to make sure that the text animates from the bottom to the top. I'll set mine to 300. Then above that, set distribution to 50% and ease out to 100. Then scroll all the way down and go into advanced controls, then set object type to word. Then adjust the word bias value to make sure that we are targeting words separately. I'm going to set mine to 10%. And lastly, to adjust the duration of the animation, scroll all the way up. There you will find the duration. You can click and type it that way, or just extend it on the timeline by dragging the end forward. I'm going to set it to 2 seconds. And if I play this back, here we have the word by word text animation.